In this video, we're going to try a super simple London Open breakout strategy with just a $100 account for exactly 1 week. Sounds too basic? Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and show you exactly how it works, step by step. And hey, before we dive in, if you enjoy these kinds of experiments, make sure to hit like and drop a comment. It really helps push this channel forward. Alright, let's get straight to the rules. On the 1 hour chart, before London opens, I'll mark the high and low of the last 4 Asian session candles. Then, I'll place a pending buy stop above the high and a pending sell stop below the low. Whichever one gets triggered first, I'll cancel the other order and just let the trade run. Super mechanical. No guessing, no stress. Just one setup per day, fix 0.05 lot size. Alright guys, it's Monday, and here's how I'm setting up today's test. As you can see, the London Open is at 7 o'clock my MT4 time. So before that, I've already marked the high and low of the last 4 candles from the Asian session on the 1 hour chart. Next step, I've placed a buy stop just above the Asian high and a sell stop just below the Asian low. Super simple. Stop loss? Easy. If the buy stop triggers, the stop goes right below the Asian low. If the sell stop triggers, the stop goes right above the Asian high. For targets, I'm keeping it mechanical with a 1 to 2 risk to reward. That means if my stop loss is 20 pips, I'm aiming for 40 pips. No trailing stops, no partials. Just a clean hit or miss. And remember, whichever order gets triggered first, I'll cancel the other one so I don't end up in both directions. Now let's see if Monday's London breakout can give us a winning start to the week. And boom, sell stop got triggered. And remember, I didn't do any analysis here. No zones, no EMA, no bias. Just mark the Asian range, set pending orders, and let the system play out. That's the whole point of this test. To see if the London breakout can deliver without me overthinking every candle. And this time, London actually gave the push we needed. Straight to target. A clean win. The first trade of the week is in profit, and my balance is now sitting at $124.30. Feels good starting the week green, especially when all I did was set pending orders and leave it. No stress, no overthinking, just pure mechanical trading. Alright, moving on to Tuesday. Same setup, London Open. I've marked the last 4 candle high at 1.35160 and the low at 1.34960. That gives me a clean 20 pip range, so the stop loss is also around 20 pips. And the target is set at 40 pips for that 1 to 2 risk reward. I've placed the buy stop just above the Asian high and the sell stop at the low. The lot size stays consistent with 0.05 lots. And as you can see, the buy stop triggered. Honestly, this is the part I actually enjoy about running these experiments. No overthinking, no analysis, just following the rules and letting the market decide. Sometimes it's going to look perfect. Sometimes it's going to flip against you in seconds. The market didn't follow through. Price reversed and hit the stop loss, so Tuesday ends with a full loss, bringing the account down to $114.30. That's trading for you. Clean rules, clean outcomes. 1 win, 1 loss so far. Let's see what Wednesday brings. Alright, it's Wednesday now. Same process again. I've marked the Asian session high at 1.35088 and the low at 1.34666 on the 1 hour chart. Pending orders are ready, buy stop at the high, sell stop at the low. The lot size stays consistent at 0.05. And as you guys can see, the buy stop was the one that got triggered today. Honestly, I wasn't too confident with this setup. The candles didn't look that convincing, and I kind of had that feeling in the back of my head. And sure enough, London didn't give us the push we wanted. Price just rolled over and smacked the stop loss. That's 3 trades in, and yeah, the balance is now down to $93.20. Gotta admit, that one stings a bit. But hey, this is the whole point of the experiment. No cherry picking, no skipping trades. We stick to the plan and see how it plays out. So moving on to Thursday. I've marked the Asian session high at 1.34585 and the low at 1.34413. Pending orders are set as usual, and this time, the sell stop was the one that got triggered. At first I thought, okay, maybe this is the one. Nice tight range. If London pushes down, we could catch a clean move. But nope. Price barely gave any follow-through before snapping straight back up and hitting the stop loss. The balance is now down to $84.50, and honestly, this is starting to get frustrating. 4 trades into the week, 3 of them are straight losses after that nice Monday win. This is exactly the kind of situation that tests your psychology. It's easy to feel like, man, maybe this strategy just doesn't work. Or, am I about to blow this account? But I keep reminding myself, this is an experiment. I said from the start, no emotions, no cherry picking. We run it exactly as planned and see the real results. Alright guys, the last setup of the week. Friday. I've marked the high at 1.34132 and the low at 1.33905. That gives us about a 24 pip stop, so the target is set at roughly 46 pips for the 1 to 2 risk to reward. The buy stop got triggered, and honestly, after taking back-to-back losses midweek, I wasn't too confident with this setup either. I kept thinking the worst, but hey, let's see what the market brings to us. TP hit clean, and the balance is now back up to $107.30. Not massive, but considering the losing streak midweek, it feels good to end the week in the green. This really shows what I was saying earlier. No stress, no overthinking. Just set the pending orders, walk away, and let the London breakout do its thing. Of course, it's not perfect. We had 3 losses in a row, but sticking to the rules kept us in the game, and that last push on Friday helped us recover a bit. Alright guys, that wraps up our 1-week test of the London breakout strategy. Now, a full disclaimer. This is just 1 week of data. If you're thinking about trying this for yourself, please make sure you backtest it properly, or at least forward test it on a demo before going live. Even with the midweek drawdown, we still ended the week in profit, about a 7% gain on the account. And honestly, I'll take that. A 7% return in just 1 week is way better than ending in the red. The main takeaway here is that the strategy is simple, stress-free, and fully mechanical. No heavy analysis, no second guessing, just set the pending orders and let the market do its thing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and let me know in the comments if you'd want me to run this test longer, maybe across a full month, to see how it really holds up. As always, trade smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.